My name is Sergio Kataoka, owner of SK Ambiental. I'm really honored to be invited to participate to the European Quality Awards event in recognition of our work for excellence in quality and management, especially because of this period of crisis and economic difficulties experienced by companies worldwide caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Certainly, this award, along with these companies that are participating in these events, will add greater strength to be able to overcome this period of crisis that is bringing several changes regarding the integration and unity of all in search of a better world. SK Ambiental is a Brazilian company based in São Paulo, specialized in providing services in geology, hydrogeology, geotechnics, and environmental engineering fields, operating in the market since July 2016. We are specialized in development of projects to manage and recover contaminated areas for the real estate marketing, allowing the implementation of residential and commercial projects, providing the social and economic development of these areas. This outstanding award received by our company is dedicated to all customers, our partners, and collaborators who contribute to the personal and professional development of our company. Thank you very much.